Organophosphorus poisoning. Today is the organophosphorus. Organophosphorus, it is the most common insecticidal poisoning the incurrent in the air during the easier the availability over the country. These drugs are the potent the acetylcholine stress inhibitor causing the cholinergic toxicity. Trade name is the diethyl op chlorpyrifos dominate the bonds rather dimethyl op methyl parathione metacetoparathios diclosnovi. Clinical feature organophosphorus. Onset action is within the minute. Crackling smell. Muscarinic effect is the dumbbell D is the diarrhea, U for the urination, M for meiosis, bradycardia, bronchospasm, bronchoria, the image with the excitation, lacrimation, salivation, sweating, nicotinic effect में muscle twitching, fasciculation, hyperexia, facial paralysis, decrease the tone of reflection, CNS effect, headache, dizziness, confusion, drowsiness. Management में the airway clear the airway compression of the secure of the airway breathing oxygen supplementation of the keep SpO2 is the greater than 90% circulation IBSS decontamination dermal remove the clothing wash the skin gastric lavage if the present with the 1 hour of the ingestion activated charcoal antidotes atropine poisoning atropine atropinization of dose of the atropinization is the administer is the 3 to 4 ampoule 1 ampoule of the 1 ml atropine and the 0.5 bolus of the initially as pupil size assess of pupil size heart rate air entry into the lungs bp axilla for the sweating if the no improvement increase the dose under the strict the monitoring and the assess every 5 to 50 minutes until the atropinization is the achieved. Note doubling of the dose is the necessary only if the patient has not vomiting after the ingestion, has severe symptoms like unconsciousness and agitation. Watch for the atropine toxicity and increase the adjacent dose of the per clinic. The prognosis. Sign of atropinization. Heart rate greater than or more than 80 beat per minute. The systolic BP is the 80 mm of Hg. Pupil is the mydriasis. Chest is the auscultation, no crepitation or the wheezing. The dry axilla, dry tongue. Maintain the dose and trapping dose. Maintain dose of the 20% atropinizing the dose per hour as infusion in the normal saline. 20% of the atropinizing the dose per hour as infusing the normal saline. Maintain the for the 24 to 48 hour. Tapping tapering dose is the reduce the dose by the 1 by 4 previous day of the dose and taper of the 5 to 7 days. Atropine toxicity. The atropine toxicity the tachycardia, delirium, fever, dry mouth, urinary retention, discontinuous of the atropine infusion. When symptoms settle, restart the infusion at the 70% the previous of the rate. Paridoxim. Use the yearly preferably within the 24 hours of the ingestion of the OP. Paridoxim is the 2 gram in the 100 ml normally saline over the 30 minute 30 mg per kg then the 1 grams. The 6 hourly or infusion the it's 10 mg per kg hour at least of the 48 hours. The benzodiazepines for anxiety, restlessness, seizure, atropine toxicity. The dose of the diazepam injection diazepam is the 5 7 10 mg IV status of the solid deposition if they are stable emergency observation. If not, ICU for the cardiac monitoring, the ventilation. Watch for intermediate syndrome develop around the 3 to 5 days after the poisoning. Rapid onset of the weakness of the muscle, respiratory, ocular, limbus, neck, back of the scene, as inability to the rise head from the pillow and difficulty to the respiration. The management of the respiratory support. Avoid poisoning, including the delayed neuropathies that develop the 1 to 3 weeks after the poisoning, muscle cramp, numbness, fasciculation, the flaccid paralysis. The management of the physiotherapy. Today is the OP poisoning. Now review once again a time. OP poisoning is the organophosphorus poisoning. It is the most common insecticidal poisoning is the causes in the air due to the easy availability over the country. These drugs are the potent the acetylcholinesterase inhibitor causing the cholinergic the toxicity. Trade name diethyl OP, chloropyrifos, Dormet, Dhanupan, Radhar, dimethyl OP, methyl parathione, methacid parahivit, dichlorops, Renovan. Clinical feature of the organophosphorus poisoning. Onset of the action within the 1 minute. Within the minute. Garglic smell is the garglic smell. Clinical feature of the muscarinic effect. Dumble. The diarrhea use urination, meiosis, bradycardia, bronchospasm, bronchoria. The emissive is the exudation, lacrimation, all by lacrimation is by the salivation, the sweating. Nicotinic effect में muscle twisting, fasciculation, hyperreflexion, the flaccid paralysis, decrease the tendon, the reflection. CNS effect में headache, dizziness, confusion, drowsiness, repeat. Management by the organophosphorus poisoning. Emergency management. Airway. Clear the airway if compromised. Secure the airway. Breathing oxygen supplementation. Keep to SpO2 to the greater than 95%. Circulation. Secure the IVSS. Decontamination. Dormal. Remove the clothing of wash the skin. Gastric lavage present within the 1 hour of the ingestion. Activated charcoal. Antidote atropine organophosphorus poisoning को antidote atropines and atropinization dose is the atro administers the 3 to 4 ampoule the 1 ampoule for the 1 ml atropine 0.6 mg milligram the bolus initially. SS pupil size, heart rate, air entry into the lungs, BP auxiliary for the sweating. If no improvement, increase the dose under the streak, the monitoring and assess the every 5 to 50 minutes until the atropinization is achieved. Note doubling the dose of the is necessary only if the patient has the not vomiting up vomit after the ingestion, has the severe symptom like unconsciousness, agitation. Watch over the atropine toxicity and increase the adjustment of the dose of the pork in progression. The sign of atropinization: heart rate greater than or more than ST beat per minute, systolic BP greater than or ST ml of the policy, pupil size the matrix, chest clear or the auscultation of the no crepitation or the wheezing, dry axilla and the dry tongue. Minute of the dose is the 20 maintenance dose and trapping dose. Maintenance dose is 20% atopic dose per hour as the infusion in the normal saline. Maintains for the 24 to 48 hours. Tapering dose is the reduce the dose by the 1/4 of the previous day of the dose. Taper off over the 5 to 7 days. The atropine toxicity. The atropine toxicity is the tachycardia, delirium, fever, dry mouth, urinary retention, discontinuous of the atropine infusion. When symptoms settle, restart the infusion of the previous rate. When symptoms settle, It tells the restart the infusion of the 70% of the previous rated Pyridoxine. Use the yearly preferable within the 24 hour of the engagement. OP Pyridoxine of the 2 gram in the 100 ml the normal saline over the 30 minute 30 mg per kg in the 1 gram. The 6 hourly infusion of the it's a 10 mg per kg hour for at least 48 hours. The benzodiazepines, the for anxiety, restlessness, seizure, atropine toxicity, the diazepam 5 to 10 mg per statum. The deposition is the deposition. If stable emergency observation, if not ICU for the cardiac monitoring, the ventilation. Watch for intermediate syndrome that develop around the 3 to 5 days after the poisoning. The rapid onset of the weakness of the muscle, respiratory, circulation, limbs, neck, back. Seen is the inability to the rise head from the pillow and the difficulty to the respiration. The management, respiratory support, opioid, opioid including the delay neuropathy, developed once 3 weeks after the poisoning, muscle cramp, numbness, fasciculation, flaccid paralysis, management of the physiotherapy. Today I am discuss organophosphorus poisoning, definition, management, treatments.